Means there is no option with me saying that.
Okay,
I'm,
great. You just told me that I was kicked off because you signed into the same one. So weird. I don't understand how Zoom works sometimes.
Actually, so because we are having many classes with other batches also, so I always sign in with your account.
Yeah, of course.
So I think it's Krishna Nam section today. So what was your question, Vijay Prabhu, which you posted?
Prabhu, so there are two sutras which says one is Sankhyaadi Shabdastu Vachalingaha, and the next sutra is Jat. What is that next sutra? Samanadhikarana Visheshana Rupa Visheshalinga Vishnu Bhakti Vachanani Bhajante, right?
Mm-hmm.
So both of them are saying the same thing.
So 303 says Sankhya Shabdastu Vachalinga.
If you see, there is the Sankhya Adi in the commentary, he says refers to Jati Gunakriyas, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he says words like numerals are all Samanadhikarana Visheshanas.
Mm-hmm.
So next one is saying the same thing, Samanadhikarana Rupa Visheshalinga Vishnu Bhakti Vachanani Bhajante.
Looks same.
Yeah, I was surprised why there are two things expressing same.
We'll have to see. What I can understand right now is means it basically means prominently talking of the Sankhya words. Yeah, means almost they look same. There must be some difference. That's why there are two. Otherwise, Jiva Goswami wouldn't have written two.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about it. What is that?
There must be something. So I'll try to figure out. Meanwhile, if there is anything, you can also try.
Sure, bro.
Okay, so please, I hope you memorized Sarva Vishwa Bhava Bhaya Anya Anyatara Yatra Yatrama Katrah Katrama Ityadi. Did you?
Ongoing, Prabhuji.
Oh, we had 3 days break, Prabhu.
Very busy
No, I
weekend,
was.
but I will.
Yeah, of course you were busy. So still, if you want to try, you can.
I definitely will. It's needed.
Yeah. So would you like to recite or what?
Whom are you asking?
Maybe Ujjwal Proof first of all.
No, like I said, I haven't memorized it because it's been a very busy weekend. But in the next
Oh,
days
no,
or
no issue, no issue.
I will.
So we'll study and you can memorize in meanwhile, whenever you get time. No issue. So they are Sarva Vishwa Ubhaya Anya Anyatara Yatara Tatara Tatama. Actually, I really like pronouncing them. It's like really something to pronounce. Anya Anyatara Tatara Tatama Yatara Yatama Katara Katama Ekatara Ekatama Itara Tvatva Nema Samasim Purva Para Vara Dakshina Uttara Paradharsha Swa Antara Tad Yad Etad Itamadas Ekadvi Yushma Dasman Bhavatu Kim. Amazing. Anyhow, okay. Is there my voice is okay right now?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prue, you're good.
Less background noises, right?
There's
Yeah.
a little bit, but your voice is prominent amongst it, so it's no problem.
Actually, in Vrindavan, what happened is today we had what? How do you say andhi in English? Wind. What's that? Wind. It rained heavily, and it was a windfall. You say?
Storm or wind?
Storm would be heavy word. I'll say less than that, little. So in India, the wires and all they are like openly placed.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So the internet connection we had from the provider, it was like you have a little wind range, all the wires they go here and there, the connections are shut off. So I have come to an office nearby, my house, the place where I live, and I've borrowed the internet because yesterday we missed a class. So it's
Oh.
like that. Because personally, I don't want to miss class, you know. So it's like that. So here's my father and the office people talking. So please bear with me.
No problem at all.
Okay. So yeah, we start with the Sarvanamas. I'll just switch off the video in case. Sarva, Vishwa, Ubha. Sarva is all, Vishwa means all. Surprisingly, Vishwa means all. Generally, we say Vishwa as a world or something, but here Vishwa means all. If it is treated as Sarvanama, Ubha is both, then Ubhaya is also both, Anya is other, Anyatara is either of the two. You know that Tara and Tama thing you must be aware of.
Yeah, why Anyatama is not there?
It's not here. We'll have to ask Jivu Goswami. why why didn't he
But
give
that
it?
word is also Sarvanama?
That's an
Uh,
avyaya, huh? Anyat.
I'm sorry.
You're saying anyat, right?
No,
Anyatama.
Anyatama. Prabhu is saying
Anyatama.
Anyatama. I don't know means really why it's
I've
not
never
here.
seen anyatama.
I have seen
Uh, I think I've also seen Anyatama.
yeah.
Means anyhow, Tatara, Tatama, that one of two, that two, one of many, Yatara, Yatama, who, which of two, Yatama is who, which of many, Katara, Katama, Katara is who, which of two, Katama is who, which of many, and Ekatara, one of two, Ekatama, one of many. I think even if we imply Anyatama here, even if it is not here, then it won't make much difference, because the following sequences we have these tamas, tamas. So Ekatara, Ekatama, one of two, one of many. Itara is other. Tvat is other. Tva is other. Nema is half. Sama is all. Sima all. Purva is east. Previous, the front part. Uttara is north. Left, subsequent, higher, superior. Apara is west, subsequent,
So you missed
inferior.
some more things on the top.
Oh, sorry. Para is subsequent, uh, superior, other. Avara is previous, subsequent, below, inferior. Dakshina is south and right. Uttara is north, left, subsequent, higher, superior. Apara is west, subsequent, inferior, other. Adhara is below, inferior. Uh, Now see, Adhara, if it's not a Sarvanama, can also mean a lot of things. Adhara generally refers to a lip, Adhara and Oshta. So we have to see whether it's a Sarvanama and or not. And yes, like that.
Same thing with the Twatu, right? Twatu is from you.
Yeah. Same thing. So yes. Because even in the Yushmad Shabda, we get the form Twat in 5-1. We'll study that. So Swa is myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, my own, your own, his own, her own, its own. Antara is outer and undergarment. Tyad is it's Vedic, so he, she, it, that. Tad, he, she, it, that. Yad, who, which. Will decline all these forms now coming up in all three lingas. Etad is he, she, it, this. Idam is he, she, it, this. Others, he, she, it, that. Eka, one, dvi, two. Yushmad, you. Asmad, I. Bhavatu is honorific, you. Kim is honorific means adar adhike, adar adhike, when we give adar, respect, honor to someone. Kim is who, what, which. So we begin with the word sarva, and this is the Purushottam Linga for sure. Sarva yuktasu, simple sarva, then sarvau, then 3-3 will be, sorry, 1-3. Krishna Nama Krishnado Jasa She. After a Krishna Nama, that is a Krishna Nama Krishnado Jasa She. After a Krishna Nama, that is a Krishna. Okay, Krishna Nama are the Sarva Namas. I was like, what is Krishna Nama? For a minute. So, we get many definitions. And at a point, we are like, what is this? What is Bhagavad? Sometimes it might happen with you as well. What is Bhagavad? What is Krishna Sthana? Does it happen? Or is it me only?
It happens, yeah. Or
I was like, what is
mixing them sometimes happens for me because we don't have so many of them yet, but they get
Yeah.
mixed up.
So we read Krishna Sthana. So I was like, what is this Krishna Nama? So I just, it's Sarvanamas. So after a Krishna Sthana, that is a Krishna. So Krishna is a Ramanta Krishna. Jas is replaced by she. So Sarva Yukta Jas, Krishna Nama Krishna to Jasa she. Sarva Yukta she. Again, it's a magical spell here. It's here. Then, okay, then we get Advamidvaye Survey. So this is not the English survey, Survey. This is Sarva, Sarvau, Survey. And this form is very much in use. Any example? I think in the first chapter itself, it's there, Bhagavad Gita.
Sarve Sukinaha Bhavattu Bhavantu.
Yeah, Sarve Yuddha Visharadaha, Bhagavad Gita. Sarve Yuddha Visharadaha.
Prabhuji, one question. So the sarva itself is a plural, right? So will it be always used in plural, or where will we use plurals?
Means sometimes Jatyakhyayam Bahuvachane Ekavachane Bahuvachanam Va. Sometimes when we address a group, so we can use singular even in case of plural. For example, if there are many cows, for the jati itself of cow, we can say gau, which is one. And that gahu shabda would refer to the whole jati. So,
Right. But for sarva, how do you? Sarva looks like a plural itself, right?
that is also one point, sarva.
It also means
Sarva.
something like whole, right? Like entire. Like if you say Sarva Prakarana Vyapi.
I mean, like,
that's like all the Prakaranas. Or if you say Sarva, I'm trying to think. Sarva.
like we had the sutra, the last one, Vingshatyadya Bahuvachanam. What was that?
Vimshatyadyaha. Oh, Ekasya Sarveshwarasya. Is that one you're asking? Ekasya
Yeah,
Visheshasya Vishesham Anekam Chet Pratyekam.
No, not that one. This one, Vingshatyadya Sadikatve Anavriktau. So in this case, 20 onwards, the numerals, they are like, of course, when we say 20, 21, 22 in Sanskrit, they are plural, of course. But they are used in Ekvachana, So in the same sense, we can say, although Sarva, the word itself includes many, all inclusive, but still it can be used as Ekvachana, Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana.
Yeah, just like the English word everything. Sarva. So all, it's singular technically. It's referring to all of the things.
Yeah. But you don't have plural and plural for everything, right?
Well, you would say thing is singular when you say everything, but you can
Right.
say things, and that's plural. We just have a dual, but we do have a singular and a plural.
Yeah, my question was, there is no plural form for everything. So there is only one choice you have got to use. But here, 2 choices, 3 choices we have. So which choice we will use it in which place was my question.
Well, that depends on what it's adjectivizing.
Depends on the usage. Yeah. I mean, if we get something like Sarva Karmani, I think it's somewhere in Gita, Sarva Karmani. So there it's a compound, Then Sarva and Karmani. If we get something like let's say,
Oh, so you are saying this works, this is a Visheshana, so based on the Visheshya, then it changes its form. That's all.
Yeah, means of course. This is a Krishna Nama, and we studied that Krishna Namas are Visheshanas. They act as Visheshanas.
Okay. Okay.
Means they are pronouns, after all.
Okay. That makes sense, Prabhuji.
Yeah, they just follow the Visheshyas, and they are not Visheshyas, independent Visheshyas. They can also act as Visheshyas, but still they have to depend on some noun, some prominent Visheshya.
Makes sense.
Does it make sense?
Yes, Prabhuji.
It's like Yudhishthir Maharaj after the battlefield. Even Krishna couldn't convince him. Sorry for that. Then, so sometimes actually, whatever we try, we are not convinced. But anyhow, but no taunts there, just a point. So Sarva Krishna Nama, Krishna to just a she. Then Sarva Yukta Dashavtara Damshasor Ramahara, and Sarvam, Sarvau, Sarvan same way like Krishna, Sarvena same thing, Sarvabhyam, Krishna se Trivikrama Gopale, Sarvaihi. When we have Sarva Yukta Ne for one, the following rule applies. Krishna Nam Krishna to Ne Smai. After a Krishna Nam, that is a Krishna, Ne is replaced by Smai. So if we have Sarva Yukta Ne, so it's Sarva Smai and Sarva Smai. Sarva Smai. The Smai comes from here. Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah. Then if we have 5-1, Nasi, Krishna Nam Krishna to Nasi Smat. Then in place of Nasi, Smat comes in. So Sarva Yukta Nasi, Krishna Nam Krishna to Nasi Smat is applied, and Sarva Smat. Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasya, Sarvayoh. When we have Sarva Yukta Am, then Krishna Nam, Krishna Radhabhyam Sud Ami. When Am follows, Sud is inserted after a Krishna Nam, that is a Krishna or Radha. So what is Radha?
Tatra Banta Lakshmi Radha Sangya.
Yes. So Sarva Yukta Am, Krishna Nam, Krishna Radhabhyam Sud Ami. So is there, Am is there. Then Sarva, then Tidagma Parasamandhi. Then what is 163? Krishnasya e Vaishnave Bahutve and Ishvara Harimitra. Sarvesham. Aradhananam Sarvesham Vishnuraradhanam Param Ityadi. So we don't make Sarva Nam here like Krishna Nam, Rama Nam. It's Sarvesham. Krishna Nam, Krishna Radhabhyam Sudami. Okay? This rule is an apavad of Vamana Gopi Radhabhyo Nodami. Then 7-1, Krishna Nam Krishna to Nehsmin. After a Krishna Nam, that is a Krishna, Ni is replaced by Smin. So, yes, Ni is replaced by Smin. Sarva Yukta Ni, then Krishna Nam Krishna to. In this actually section, the initial sutras we are doing, the sutras are quite easy to memorize because first of all, they have the same pattern. Krishna Nam Krishna to, Krishna Nam Krishna to, and then Nesmin, and so on. So Sarvasmin, Sarvayo, Sarveshu. 8-1 will be Sarva, same way like we did Krishna. So Sarva, Sarvo, Sarve, Sarvam, Sarvo, Sarvan, Sarvena, Sarvabhyam, Sarvei, Sarvasmai, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasmat, Sarvabhyam, Sarvebhyah, Sarvasya, Sarvayo, Sarvesham, Sarve. Oh, sorry, Sarvasmin. Now here it is not Sarve. I mean 7-1 like Krishna. So it's Sarvasmin, Sarvayo, Sarveshu, Sarva, Sarvau, Sarve. Like that. I think that was simple. Is it okay?
Yes, Prabhu.
Then Sarvadihi Krishna Namakhyau Gauna Sangya Vina Bhavet. The words sarva and so on are called Krishna namas, but not when their meaning is secondary, gauna sangi, or when they are used as names. So they are called Krishna namas only except when they are used in secondary sense or when they are not used in swartha sense, as we know, swartha, or they are used as sanyas, the names. So, so like that. Yeah. So therefore, the word sarva is not a Krishna nama in the following examples. So we have ati sarvaya, unto he who surpasses all. Again, bahuvrihi samas. This is
So this swartha is broken when the words come in just bahuvrihi. Otherwise, it's not right.
please repeat.
So the swartha is not applicable when it comes in bahuvrihi. That's the only case where the swartha is.
Means mostly it is like that, but there can be any composition, where it's not in the swartha sense.
Correct.
Bahuvrihi is just one example. I will say it's like the most easy thing we can grasp at this moment. So that's why we are given examples from Bahuvrihi Samasa.
I see. Okay. So
You
there
know,
are other cases also you're seeing.
means depends on the person who is composing. One can compose anything out of anything, literally. You know. So so like that. Ati Sarvaya, Drishta Sarvaya, Sarvaya. So Sarvaya here is unto someone of the name Sarva. You know. So actually, one thing is I'm running on an inverter and the battery is gone. But we studied few sutras, so we'll have to, pause the class here. I hope you won't mind it.
Yeah, bro. Oh,
So, and also Vijay Prabhu, it would be good if you can keep updating that Anvaya sheet, the doc.
yeah, sure.
So we'll resume. It's really too much here in Vrindavan.
No problem, Prabhu. Thank you. This is Lokarama. I'm on
Oh,
also.
oh, Haribol.
This section seems pretty straightforward anyway, so I think we'll make good progress
Yeah,
going quickly.
you are two in one there.
Yeah.
We're four
Okay.
because his two children are here also.
Uh-huh. So, yeah, we'll just stop here because otherwise we'll have to stop anyway. Adhyantarika klesha. So, Hare Krishna. So we'll resume tomorrow from this 317.
Sure, bro. Hare Krishna.
So please memorize those, the Sarvanamas, the Krishna Namas, Sarva Vishwa Ityadi. Yes.
Okay, Prabhu. Haribol.
Hare
Haribol.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.